Good morning, students. We are studying the chapter number 11 alcohols, phenols, and ethers. Up to yesterday, we already see the definitions of these alcohol, phenol, and ethers, and also some that is the information about that or classification of alcohols, phenols as the monohydric, dihydric, polyhydric alcohols and polyhydric phenols up to this. But today we have to see the classification of monohydric alcohols. Now monohydric alcohols, you know that in these alcohols only one hydroxyl group, OH group is attached to the carbon in that molecule. Now they are classified as, now you know the monohydric alcohols such as ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol, N-propyl alcohol or secondary propyl alcohol, butyl alcohol, etc. But here these monohydric alcohols are also of the different types. They are classified on the basis of hybridization state of the carbon atom. If the carbon atom is saturated carbon atom, that means all the four valencies of the carbon atoms are satisfied by the single bonds, then that carbon is the sp3 hybridized carbon. In 11th standard we know that again if the carbon is bonded to the double bond, that means if there is the double bond in the chain, then the carbon which is bonded to the double bond is called as the sp2 hybridized carbon. And if there are triple bond between the carbon atom, then that carbon are called as the sp hybridized carbon atoms. Now here see, we have to classify these monohydric alcohols on the basis of hybridization state of the carbon atom, and to which OH group is attached. That carbon atom which have OH group, what is the hybridization of that carbon atom? On that basis, the classification of monohydric alcohols are done. Now first class is alcohols containing sp3c carbon atom attached to the OH group. Now sp3c-OH bond. Now this is the first class of the alcohols, monohydric alcohols. In these alcohols, the OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom of the alkyl group. Now these sp3 hybridized carbon atoms having the OH group, they are also, that alcohols are also of the three types. Now on the basis of the that is type of the carbon atom. Now see here, they are further classified as sp3-OH bond containing monohydric alcohols are also classified as primary alcohols, secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols, that are done on the basis of that sp3 type of the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Which type of the sp3 hybridized carbon atom? If it is the primary carbon atom, then that alcohols are primary alcohols. If the type of the sp3 hybridized carbon atom is the secondary type, then that alcohols are secondary alcohols. And if the type of the carbon atom, sp3 carbon atom, is of tertiary type, then that alcohols are called as the tertiary alcohols. And in 11th standard, you very well know about the primary carbon, secondary carbon and tertiary carbon. In primary carbon, the carbon have only, that is the two hydrogen atoms. The carbon having two hydrogen atoms are called as the primary carbon. You know that. Only only one exception is there, that is the methyl group. In methyl group, on this R, on the place of this R, there is the H. But then the primary carbon is identified as the carbon which have maximum two hydrogen atoms attached to that carbon. That carbon is called as the primary carbon atom. Now see, to this primary carbon atom, there is the OH group in the alcohol. This is the general formula of the primary alcohols. Suppose the R group is here CH3 group, that is the methyl group, and these carbon containing two hydrogen atoms to which the OH group is attached. So this is also the primary carbon. Now as it is primary carbon having the OH group, this is the primary alcohol, and the name of this primary alcohol is the ethyl alcohol. Now it is primary alcohol, and this is the general formula of primary alcohol, RCH2-OH. Now in primary alcohol, the carbon which have OH group have maximum 2 hydrogen atoms. Now come to the secondary alcohol. Now these are the sp3-CH bond having alcohols, because here carbon is having all the single bonds around it, and it is the tetrahedral carbon, because sp3 hybridization is also called as the tetrahedral hybridization. We already see that in the 11th standard, that is the tetrahedral hybridization means sp3 hybridization. So this carbon is sp3 hybridized here in the primary alcohol. Also in the secondary and tertiary alcohol, the carbon is sp3 hybridized, but what is the type of that carbon? On that basis, the alcohols are again classified as primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. In secondary alcohol, the carbon which have OH group, hydroxyl group attached to it, have only one hydrogen atom, and the remaining two R groups are there. Now see, this is the general formula of the secondary alcohol. In secondary alcohol, the carbon having the OH group have only one hydrogen atom, and remaining two alkyl groups are there. Now this is the secondary carbon, so this is the general formula of the secondary alcohol. An example is secondary propyl alcohol, because this is the secondary propyl group. This is secondary propyl group. So the name of this alcohol is the secondary propyl alcohol, or it is also called as the propan-to-all, IUPAC name. We will see after the classification of this alcohol the IUPAC names of the alcohol. So this is the secondary or isopropyl alcohol, because in this alcohol the carbon having OH group have only one hydrogen atom attached to it. Now the tertiary carbon atom. What is in the tertiary carbon atom? The tertiary carbon atom do not have any hydrogen attached to it. Now this is the tertiary carbon. In the tertiary alcohol, the tertiary carbon have only the OH group, and all the three alkyl groups are there. The carbon which have OH group do not have any hydrogen atom in the tertiary alcohols. Now this is the general formula of tertiary alcohol. These are the different R groups, R, R dash, R double dash. In this way, they may be methyl, ethyl, propyl, and there is no hydrogen atom attached to the tertiary carbon. So these are the tertiary alcohols. For example, if the three R groups are the methyl groups, as they contain 4 carbon atom in this molecule, so it is the tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol do not have any hydrogen atom attached to that of the carbon, and the carbon containing OH group have all the 3 alkyl groups attached to it, and no any hydrogen on that carbon. Such carbon is called as the tertiary carbon, and the alcohols having the tertiary carbon are called as the tertiary alcohols, and this tertiary butyl alcohol is the example of the tertiary alcohols. Now these are all these primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols are the types of the alcohols containing sp3C-OH bond. Now this is the first type. This is the classification on the basis of hybridization, and this is the first type of these are the first type of the alcohols having the sp3C-OH bond. Now we will see the sp2C-OH bond there. Now, what is the classification or how the alcohols containing sp2c hybridization? Now, see after this. Well, student, first see in the sp3 hybridized carbon atoms having alcohols, there is again this type allylic alcohols. Now, what is there in the allylic alcohols? In these alcohols, the OH group is attached to the sp3 carbon atom. OH group is on the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and that sp3 hybridized carbon atom is further bonded to the carbon-carbon double bond. For example, see this CH2. Now this is the primary carbon and this is sp3 hybridized carbon to which the OH group is attached. And further this carbon is attached to such carbon having carbon-carbon double bond. Such type of alcohols are called as the allylic alcohols. What is there in the allylic alcohols? The carbon which have OH group is the sp3 hybridized carbon, and that sp3 hybridized carbon is attached to such carbon which contain carbon-carbon double bond. Such alcohols are called as the allylic alcohols. Now these allylic alcohols are again of the three types: primary alcohol, primary allylic alcohol, secondary allylic alcohols, and tertiary allylic alcohols. Now how that identify primary allylic alcohols? Now these are the allylic alcohols here. Now this is the primary allylic alcohol because the OH group is attached to the primary carbon atom having the two hydrogens attached to it, that is the primary carbon atom. But why it is the allylic alcohol? Because the primary carbon, that is the sp3 hybridized carbon, is attached to such carbon which have carbon-carbon double bond. Now how the name is given to these allylic alcohols? Now this alcohol contain 3 carbon atoms, so the parent alkane is propane, but write only prop here and number the carbon atoms from that carbon which contain the OH group. We are giving here the IUPAC name for this allylic alcohols. Now the IUPAC name of this allylic alcohol is prop2en1ol. Why it is prop here? Because the alcohol contain 3 carbon atoms. The parent alkane is propane. So write only the prop. ANE suffix is now there. Drop that ANE suffix. Only the prop right here. Now here 2 is for this carbon which having double bond. And numbering is given from that side to which the carbon atom OH group is attached. Now here OH group is attached, so this is the first carbon, second, third. On second carbon there is the double bond, so 2En for the double bond, and the OH group is attached to the first carbon atom, so this is the alcohol, so the suffix is OL for the alcohol, and as it is attached to the first carbon, here is the 1. So prop2en1ol is the name of this primary allylic alcohol. Now see the secondary allylic alcohol. Here see, this carbon having the OH group have only one hydrogen atom attached to it, and to the both side there are the alkyl groups. Now as it contain only one hydrogen atom, it is the secondary carbon, and this secondary carbon is sp3 hybridized because all are the single bonds around the carbon atoms. But why it is allylic alcohol, secondary allylic alcohol? Because this sp3 hybridized carbon atom is attached to such carbon which have the double bond. Now allylic alcohols are that alcohols in which the OH group is attached to the sp3 carbon atom which is further bonded to the carbon-carbon double bond. So this is also the allylic alcohol, but this is the secondary allylic alcohol as it contains the secondary carbon atom. Now how the name IUPAC name is given to this alcohol? Now number from that side of the chain to which OH group is nearest. Now consider this CH3 group also in the chain. Now this CH3 group. So numbering is done from this side because the OH group is nearest in this chain that carbon, second carbon. So number from 1, 2, 3 and 4 as it is, because this is in the chain, all the carbon atoms. So parent alkane is butane. But on second carbon atom, there is the hydroxyl group. And on third carbon atom, there is the double bond. So the name is given as but3. Double bond is on the third carbon. So but3En and OH is on the second carbon. So 2-ol. But3En 2-ol is the name of this secondary allylic alcohol. Now again there is the tertiary allylic alcohol. In tertiary allylic alcohol, the OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon atom. That tertiary carbon atom is also sp3 hybridized because all are the single bonds around the carbon atoms. So numbering is done by this chain here. This is 1, 2. Now go here 3 and 4. Now on the second carbon there is the OH group and CH3 group also. This is the tertiary carbon and it is attached to the carbon having the double bond. So this is also allylic alcohol, tertiary allylic alcohol. Now the name is given as the second carbon contain this that is the substituent methyl group. So 2-methyl. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. So the parent alkane is the butane. So but 3-methyl but 3En because double bond is on the third carbon. 2-methyl but 3En and the OH is on the second carbon atom here. This is first and this is second. So 2-methyl but 3En 2-ol is the name of this tertiary allylic alcohol. Remember that is very important for the board point of view, for the CET point of view and for the NEET or any JEE examination. Such nomenclatures of alcohols may be asked into that examination. So prepare by heart. Now there is again the type of this sp3 C-OH bond having alcohols. This is again another type of the sp3 hybridized carbon atom attached to the OH bond having alcohols. Now these alcohols are called as the benzylic alcohols. These are similar as that of the allylic alcohols, but only difference is that the sp3 hybridized carbon which have the OH group is further attached to the benzene ring, or that is the aromatic ring. See here, this is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This is primary carbon atom, sp3 hybridized carbon atom having the OH group, and this is further attached to the benzene ring or aromatic ring. Such alcohols are called as the benzylic alcohols. So what is the definition of benzylic alcohol? In these alcohols, the OH group is attached to the sp3 carbon atom which is further bonded to the aromatic ring or benzene ring. Now benzylic alcohols are also of primary, secondary and tertiary types. Now see, this is the primary benzylic alcohol because the OH group is attached to the primary carbon atom. And why it is benzylic alcohol? Because this sp3 hybridized primary carbon atom is attached to the benzene ring. So this is the benzylic primary alcohol. And the name is given in this way, as the first carbon contains this benzene ring. But this benzene ring, if one hydrogen is replaced, called as the phenyl group. So this alcohol is first it is the methyl alcohol, but one hydrogen is replaced by this phenyl group. So the name of this alcohol is 1-phenyl methanol. Methanol is the IUPAC name of the methyl alcohol. So on the first carbon there is the phenyl group. So it is the 1-phenyl methanol. Now this is the benzylic alcohol. Now secondary benzylic alcohol contain the secondary carbon atom having only one hydrogen atom attached to that carbon having the OH group, and two different groups are there on that carbon alkyl groups. Now one alkyl group is methyl group, and this is the aromatic group, that is the aryl group, and it is the phenyl group. Now see here, this is the ethyl alcohol first, but from the first carbon the one of the hydrogen is replaced by this phenyl group. So it is the 1-phenyl ethanol. The name of this secondary benzylic alcohol is 1-phenyl ethanol. Now numbering is on that carbon which have the OH group, so 1, 2, and from on the first carbon there is also the phenyl group. So it is the 1-phenyl ethanol, the IUPAC name of this secondary benzylic alcohol. Now this is the tertiary benzylic alcohol because this is the tertiary carbon which is attached to the OH group, hydroxyl group, as it contains no hydrogen atoms on that. So it is the tertiary carbon atom, and this is the tertiary benzylic alcohol. Now the name is given from any side. You can give the numbering 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3 because this is in between the two carbon atoms. Now if we number as 1, 2, 3 on the second carbon, there is the phenyl group and OH group. So the name of this benzylic alcohol is as parent alkane is here propane. So it is the 2-phenyl propan-2-ol because the OH group is also on the second carbon and phenyl group is also on the second carbon. So it is the 2-phenyl propan-2-ol. Now this is the name of this tertiary benzylic alcohol. This is also very important. The nomenclature, IUPAC nomenclature of this allylic and benzylic alcohols are very important for the point of view of examination. So study that thoroughly. Now see, this is the second main type of classification of monohydric alcohol, that are alcohols containing sp2 carbon dash OH bond. That means the hydroxyl group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. That means the carbon atom containing or having double bond. Now in these alcohols, OH group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon, which is the part of carbon-carbon double bond. Now these alcohols are also called as the vinylic alcohols. The alcohols containing sp2 carbon dash OH bond is also called as the vinylic alcohol. For example, see this CH2 double bond CHOH. Now this hydroxyl group is directly attached to the carbon, having the carbon-carbon double bond here, and this name of this alcohol is the vinyl alcohol. Such type of alcohols are there in the alcohols containing sp2 carbon dash OH bond. Now this is the classification of monohydric alcohols. That means the alcohols containing only one OH group is attached to the carbon. That alcohols are called as the monohydric alcohols, and this is the classification we today see of the monohydric alcohol. If you like the video, share and like and subscribe this video, and that is share to all students of the 12th standard. Thank you.